How to cancel a Lazada order after shipped. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Lazada order after ship. First, open your Lazada application on your mobile device. Then tap on Account from the bottom right corner. Now tap on View All Orders. Here, select the product you want to cancel after payment, and then cancel it. Another method is to go to the settings. Tap on Help. Now tap on Cancellation, Return, and Refund. Before you decide to cancel an order, please be reminded that cancellations are irreversible once submitted. However, rest assured that you can just as easily reorder after canceling. It's important to take note of the order status before submitting a cancellation request. If your item says shipped, you may still be able to cancel if it hasn't been handed over to the logistics partner yet. Otherwise, you'll be notified that cancellation is no longer possible. Go to the order you want to cancel. Do this through View All Orders or the respective order status if you're familiar. Click on Cancel. You'll be asked to provide a cancellation reason. Tell them why you want to cancel. As mentioned before, your cancellation request cannot be reversed once you click Confirm. After you've submitted your cancellation request, you'll be able to check the status of your refund from the cancellation details page. The processing time of your refund will depend on the type of refund and the payment method you used. The actual amount refunded, excluding any vouchers or gift cards used in the order number, can add on pre-sale refund information where the refund of 10% will not be entertained as per terms and conditions. Lazada will process your refund according to the following refund types. Refund is automatically triggered once cancellation is successfully processed. Once your item is returned to the warehouse and QC is completed, the refund is processed for the returned item. To learn how to return an item, read the return policy. The refund process starts when the item has reached the seller. Please take note that this may take more time depending on the area of your shipping address. You may check this in your wallet transaction from the Tmall application. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.